Hello students, today again we are continuing with biology class 12th new syllabus chapter number 11 enhancement of food production. Today is part 9, that means ninth lecture of the chapter enhancement of food production. Okay, in this chapter we have started with the part microbes in human welfare. In this topic of microbes in human welfare, that means in this chapter, that is enhancement of plant production, there are some topics that are deleted, that are 11.2 plant breeding, 11.3 tissue culture, 11.4 single cell protein, 11.6 animal husbandry. Okay, from microbes in human welfare we have started with microbes in industrial production. Okay, we have started with the topic of microbes in industrial production. Till now, in our last lectures, we have studied the role of microbes in industrial production. We have studied about the different industries, that is production of alcoholic beverages, production of organic acids, production of vitamins, production of antibiotics. Okay, two more industries are pending that we are going to study today. The next industry that we are going to study is production of enzymes. Okay, we are going to study about the production of enzymes. When I say enzymes, what are enzymes? The introduction part for the enzymes is as follows. Enzymes play a key role in metabolic reactions, and therefore these are essential for the survival of living beings. That means enzymes are playing a vital role in the metabolic reactions that are taking place because of the metabolic activities that our body performs. Okay, metabolic reactions are taking place, and for those metabolic reactions to take place, enzymes are playing the major role. They are very much necessary, very much essential for the survival of living beings. Okay. Enzymes are proteins. Enzymes are doing the work of biological catalyst. We can say that enzymes are biological catalyst. As in chemistry, you all have studied about the catalyst. What does catalyst mean? Catalyst mean that they are doing the work of speeding up the reactions. Okay, they speed up the reactions, chemical reactions. Similarly, enzymes are biological catalysts. That means they speed up the biological reactions that are taking place in our body. Metabolic reactions, they speed up, they help the metabolic reactions, they speed up the metabolic reactions that takes place in our body. Okay, so they are called as biological catalysts. Here we see enzymes speed up the processes. And one more thing, very much important, enzymes don't require high temperature. Okay, enzymes don't require high temperature. They work efficiently at our body temperature, normal body temperature. They are working very much efficiently at the body temperature. They don't require high temperature. Many microorganisms synthesize and excrete large quantities of enzymes into the surrounding medium. Okay, they are doing the preparation of the large amount of microorganisms. Okay, large amount of microorganisms synthesize large quantity of enzymes in the surrounding medium. Therefore, using this feature of these tiny organisms, many enzymes have been produced commercially. Since in large amount these enzymes are produced, they are used for the commercial productions. They include the enzymes that are produced commercially are amylase, cellulase, protease, lipase, pectinase, streptokinase, and many other enzymes are produced commercially. Okay, I repeat the names of the enzymes that are produced commercially. Commercially means for the purpose of sale. Okay, amylase, cellulase, protease, lipase, pectinase, streptokinase. All these enzymes are extensively used in different types of industries, such as food industry, processing and preservation industry, washing powders, leather industry, paper industry, and in scientific research work. Okay, Now one by one we will study the use of enzymes, use of enzymes in different industries. First one is uses in industry. First one is textile industry. When I say textile industry, the enzymes improve the quality of fabrics. The major work, that is the improvement of the quality of fabrics, is done with the help of enzymes in textile industry. Next is paper and pulp industry. In this paper and pulp industry, enzymes are involved in biomechanical pulping and bleaching. Okay, in paper and pulp industry, enzymes are used in biomechanical pulping and bleaching process. Food industry, we have studied very much detail about food industry initially. Enzymes are used in fermentation process. Enzymes are used in production of bread. They are used in production of drinks such as wine and beer, and they are also used in the extraction of carotenoids and olive oil. Okay. In detergent industry, enzymes such as lipase are having the superior cleaning properties. So they increases the brightness and removes the oil stain. Okay, lipase is having the superior cleaning property. Hence, it is used to increase the brightness and removes the oil stains. Okay. Next, lipase are also used in cosmetics, agricultural, animal feed industries. Okay. Examples we will study now. Enzymes that are used in industrial food processing. Now we will see the name of the enzyme and microbial source. Very important, this table. All the tables are very important, as I have told you earlier. You need to by heart this tabular form of things. Okay. Enzymes such as invertase is produced from Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Pectinase is produced from Sclerotiana libertine and Aspergillus niger. Enzyme lipase is produced from Candida lipolytica, and cellulase is produced from Trichoderma conjugii. Okay, enzyme invertase from Saccharomyces cerevisiae, pectinase from Sclerotiana libertine, Aspergillus niger, lipase from Candida lipolytica, and cellulase from Trichoderma conjugii. You need to remember all the names of the enzymes and microbial source from this chapter. Okay, all the microorganisms that are involved, you have to remember those names very properly. Next we are going to study is about the production of gibberellins. When I say gibberellins, what does that mean? It is a growth hormone. It is the regulator of plant height, as in the introduction it is written. Gibberellins are the regulators of plant height. Okay, so when I say gibberellins definition, it is as follows. Gibberellin is a group of growth hormone mainly produced by higher plants and fungi to promote growth by stem elongation. When I say gibberellin, it is one of the hormones. There are different types of plant hormones such as auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins. Okay, amongst that we are studying about gibberellin. Gibberellin is a growth hormone that is produced by higher plants. When I say higher plants, that means the plants which are having all the plant parts well developed, root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, bud. Where all the plant parts are well developed, such plants are called as higher plants. And gibberellins are produced by higher plants and fungi to promote the growth of stem elongation. Okay, it just promotes the growth of stem elongation. It increases the height of stem. It helps in increasing the growth of stem. Introduction of gibberellin is the first gibberellin was isolated by two Japanese scientists, Yabuta and Sumeki, in the year 1938. And this gibberellin was isolated from the rice seedlings which were infected with this fungus Gibberella fujikori. Okay, first gibberellin was isolated by Yabuta and Sumeki in 1938 from the rice seedlings that are infected with the fungus Gibberella fujikori. Okay, about 15 different types of gibberellins have been isolated. Applications of gibberellins. We will study now one by one. First one is gibberellin promotes stem elongation. You can see here in this diagram, first plant, second plant. Here gibberellins are applied. See here, dwarf mutant plus gibberellin. Here it is dwarf mutant. When we apply gibberellins, the growth of the stem is too much big. Okay, the growth has increased. The stem elongation has took place. We can see here the enlarged stem. So the first application is when we apply gibberellins, it promotes the stem elongation. Okay. Second one, gibberellins overcomes the dormancy of seed. It helps in overcoming the dormancy in seed. When I say dormancy, dormancy means the dormant condition means that all the conditions are there for the plant, for the seed to grow. Proper temperature is there, proper pH is there, environment is there, water is there, but then seed is not growing. So at that time when we apply gibberellin, it will break down, the dormancy will break down and the seed will grow. Okay, so it overcomes the dormancy in seed because it is a growth hormone. It will promote the growth of the seed. Third is, it is involved in the development of parthenocarpic fruit development. Okay, it helps in the parthenocarpic fruit development. What do you mean by parthenocarpy? Parthenocarpy means the production of development of fruits without the fusion of male and female gamete. Formation of fruits without the fusion of male and female gametes. Okay, and parthenocarpic fruits are fruits where seeds are not there. See here, you can see here watermelon is there, but we cannot see a single seed in the watermelon. Fig, we cannot see the seeds in the fig. Otherwise, there are many of seeds in these fruits. But since these are parthenocarpic fruits, they are developed directly with the help of application of gibberellins. So we cannot see the seeds. Okay, when we apply gibberellins, the seeds are not developed. Such fruits are called as parthenocarpic fruits, which are developed without the fusion of male and female gametes. Okay. Next is gibberellin induces the fruit enlargement. You can see here these two examples are there. First here grapes are very small. Here you can see the enlarged grapes, big size grapes. So because here the gibberellins is applied. Okay, when we apply gibberellin, it induces the fruit enlargement. These gibberellins are applied externally. It enlarges the shape of the grapes. Okay, size of the grapes. Next is gibberellin promotes cell division and elongation. Since it is a growth hormone, it will be its major function to promote the cell division and elongation. Next is flowering. Gibberellin induces flowering in the long day plants. Okay, it substitutes for long day or pole treatments that are necessary for flowering. It induces the flowering of long day plants. Okay, you need to remember all the applications of gibberellins in a. Okay, it is very important question from your board exam point of view. The applications of gibberellins. First is promotes the stem elongation, overcomes the dormancy in seeds. It is involved in parthenocarpic fruit development. Gibberellin induces fruit enlargement. Then gibberellin promotes cell division and cell elongation. Then gibberellin helps in flowering of the plant. It induces the flowering of the plants. You all have to remember this application part very much in detail. Okay, you have to remember all these applications for your exam point of view. It is very important question from your exam point of view. Okay, so here we have completed all the 6 industries, that is production of alcoholic beverages, production of organic acids, production of vitamins, production of enzymes, production of gibberellins, and one more industry we have done, that is production of this antibiotics. Okay, so total 6 industries we have studied. Okay, that is production of vitamins, production of this 1 minute, production of production of alcoholic beverages, production of organic acids, production of vitamins, production of antibiotics, production of enzymes, and production of gibberellins we have studied today. So in this way we have completed total 6 industries. In our next lecture we will start with the next topic, that is production microbes in the sewage treatment. Okay, we will start with the next topic, that is microbes in sewage treatment. Thank you everyone.